In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove flickering from video in CapCut. Flickering can be a frustrating issue, whether it's caused by inconsistent lighting, fluorescent bulbs, or even time-lapse footage. Luckily, CapCut offers a powerful built-in tool to fix this, and today I'll guide you through each step in the process to make your video look smooth and polished. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's jump right in. First, launch the CapCut app on your computer or mobile device. This is the very first step to begin editing your video. Once the app is open, you'll need to import your video file. You can either drag and drop your clip directly to the timeline for quick access, or use the import button located in the workspace to add your video file. Either option works, so go with whichever is most convenient for you. This step ensures that your video is ready and waiting for the edits we're going to make. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline that has the flickering issue. This helps you target the specific part of your project that needs adjustment. Once the clip is selected, look to the top right side of your CapCut workspace. Here you'll find the panel controls. Switch over to the Video tab and scroll down to the Basic Settings section. This is where the flicker removal tool is located, so we'll be spending some time here. In the Basic Settings area, enable the Remove Flickers option. This activates CapCut's AI-powered tool that analyzes your video and works to reduce or eliminate flickering. Now keep in mind that this might be a premium feature available only with CapCut Pro. If you don't see this option, you may need to upgrade to access it. Once you've enabled Remove Flickers, you'll need to choose the appropriate mode for flicker removal. CapCut provides different modes tailored to specific types of flicker, so it's important to select the right one for your situation. If your flickering is caused by sudden bursts of light, like a flashlight or a camera flash, select the flashlight mode. On the other hand, if the flickering is more periodic or consistent, such as with fluorescent lighting or time-lapse footage, choose the time-lapse mode. Selecting the correct mode ensures the algorithm can optimize its effect for your specific issue. After selecting the mode, you'll see an adjustable level slider. This allows you to control the strength of the flicker removal. For most cases, it's a good idea to start with a recommended setting for a natural and balanced adjustment. However, if the flicker is particularly stubborn, you can increase the slider to the strongest setting. Take your time here to find the level that works best for your video. Now it's time to play your video back and preview the results of the flicker removal. Let the AI process and apply the changes. This may take just a moment, so don't worry if you experience a slight delay. Once the playback starts, carefully review the video to see how well the flicker has been reduced or eliminated. If you notice that the flicker is still present, or if the video's appearance has changed in an unintended way, go back and refine the mode or level settings. Sometimes, small adjustments can make a big difference, so feel free to tweak the options until you achieve the best possible result. The goal here is to ensure your video looks smooth and natural. Finally, pause and review the video one more time to confirm that the flickering is completely gone. This final check is important to verify that your adjustments have worked as intended and your video is ready to move on to the next stage of editing or exporting. And that's how you remove flickering from a video in CapCut. By following these steps, you can quickly fix distracting flicker and transform your footage into something seamless and professional. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.